Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to add any website to the sidebar in Vivaldi browser so you can access your favorite sites instantly without switching tabs. Let's get started. First, open Vivaldi browser on your computer. Now look at the left sidebar. This area is called Web Panel. To add a website, simply click on the plus icon that says Add Web Panel. Click on this icon. Now type the address such as gmail.com, chat.openai.com, or any other website you use frequently. After that, press enter, and that's it. Your new icon is now available on the website panel. To open it, just click on, and to hide it, again click on that icon. In Vivaldi, the sidebar works as a separate session, which means it does not share login data with your normal tabs. So if you open a site like WhatsApp web or any login based website, it may ask you to sign in again or behave differently. You can also resize the sidebar by dragging it so it can fit perfectly with your browsing. That's how you can easily add any website to the Vivaldi sidebar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.